how to make fire when the world has ended, and more importantly, why you'll need it. Because out here, fire isn't cozy, it's medicine, signal, weapon, and sometimes the only thing keeping the shadows away. The cities are silent now. Skyscrapers? Just broken matchsticks against a dead sky. Your lighter's empty. The gas stations are skeletons, and your last box of matches burned up faster than your hope. And yet, you still need fire. To boil the water that tastes like rusted pipes. To scare off the things that move in the dark. To cook whatever mutated rat you just clubbed behind the ruins of a Walgreens. So here's how you cheat death with scraps. Start with friction. The caveman science nobody wanted, but guess what? The caveman didn't have propane tanks either. Dry wood, a spindle, and way too much desperation. Rub till your hands blister. Then rub harder. Eventually, smoke. That's not hope. That's cellulose molecules breaking down into hot gas. But maybe you're smarter or lazier. Grab steel. Grab stone. Sparks fly because electrons hate staying put.